Then welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp applications on the Magic5 Lite. So it's very simple and quick. In the first step, open the App Market or the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp app. But not for the normal WhatsApp app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one, and by this quick way, we have two WhatsApp applications on our phone. That was our first method. Now the second one, go back to the Play Store and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them. I'm using the two accounts. Agree the terms, add a permission, and tap on the WhatsApp icon to start the whole process automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.